Hi guys, welcome to Life School. Today we'll be discussing how to create a vision board that works. Okay, let's get started. Ready to bring your dreams into physical reality? Vision boards are more than pretty little collages. There's serious magic involved. In this video, I will guide you on how to create a vision board that works. A vision board is a graphic representation of what you want to do, be, or have. A dream career, freedom from financial worry, travel plans, or personal development. Whatever it is, your board keeps your vision top of mind. Here's the science. If you visualize something over and over, your brain begins to form new neural pathways. You're more likely to take action based on what you want. It's referred to as the reticular activating system, and it screens information to serve what you want. Before you pick up a pair of scissors, ask yourself, what do I want in the next 6 months to a year? What do I want to wake up to? Consider various areas: career, health, relationships, money, personal development, travel. A board, whether it's a corkboard, poster, or digital sheet. Magazines, printed pictures, quotes, scissors, glue, pins, or tape. Optional stickers, markers, embellishments. Choose visuals that evoke something from you. It's not about being pretty, it's about evoking emotion and motivation each time you view it. Cluster like goals together. Put your largest goals in the middle and have supporting ones around them. Ensure there's flow and clarity, not randomness. Add brief positive affirmations such as, I am financially free, I attract healthy relationships, I am growing and glowing. These statements reinforce your subconscious belief. Put your vision board somewhere visible, your bedroom wall, home office, or your phone wallpaper if it's digital. The key is consistent exposure. Creating it is one thing, making it work is another. Here's how to supercharge it. Visualize daily. Spend 1 to 2 minutes imagining yourself living that life. Take action inspired. Don't wait. Take action toward your desires. Check and revise it monthly. Your life changes and so must your board. A vision board isn't magic, but it does trigger your focus, your routine, and your mind. When that occurs, change ensues. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below your one biggest goal. Now grab the scissors and begin constructing your future, one picture at a time. Subscribe for more mindset and success tips.